Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can check all the messages on Facebook. So first of all, for that you're going to have to launch your Facebook application. Make sure that you are logged into your specific Facebook account. Then tap onto your profile. Here access settings, so tap on three bar icon. Then expand settings and privacy, then tap settings. Now only way to check your old messages is by downloading your Facebook information. So tap on accounts center itself, you will see a page like this. You access your information and permissions, then tap on export your information. Now once done, tap on create export and simply select a Facebook. In my case, I have a lot of pages linked with my Facebook account. So simply tap onto your Facebook, then tap on export to device. And likewise, all you have to do is tap on create export. But first of all, you're going to have to select a delivery method. Type in your email address, then tap on save. And once done, tap on start export. Your information will be downloaded within 2-3 days. You will get a notification to the same email address which you left here. And then from there, you can view your old messages. This is how it's done, guys. Thank you for watching.